Hi guys, Turker Nerd Productions here, and today I'm back with another vlog. So I'm gonna be riding my bike. Wait 1 second, Jonathan. I'm gonna be riding my bike. So
for example, we are pretty.
Put it down.
I am taller than my brother, and I have a hard time getting on this thing.
So with it, I put this thing on, which is a pressure measure. So Tucker, will you hold this camera for me while I show the pressure on my back tire? We both do. Yeah.
My brother has 4 YouTube channels.
What are they?
Cool. I have
One's
two.
called Hairball, one's called Fresh Hairball, one's called Dolphins Dabble, one's called Alex Dabble.
Mine's Tucker Turco.
Mine's Turker Nerf and Tyler Turco. I have two.
Okay, so
Maybe my brother will have more.
so my pressure is 10, 15, and my KPA is 100.
I have $2 million. If you have $2 million, can I have 1,000? I'll pay you back.
It only lasts like 5 minutes. I can't do this.
Or Rex, when you want to keep it.
No,
I want to buy another house for $2 million.
you'd buy a mansion with that. You know, in Boston,
No.
you can pay like $1 million for an apartment smaller than that. You'd get away
Hey,
with it.
can I buy the school?
Yeah, you could probably both. Okay, so I'm riding. Tucker, don't get in front of me. So I'm riding. So I'm riding my bike. Here's a pretty good shot of in front of my bike. I mean, I'm holding this and I'm going slow using a phone. Don't ask what that wiggle is. I was just switching gears. So I'm gonna be turning around here. It's not one of my best videos, but it's worth it. So later I'm gonna do a Centurion review. I'm not doing a firing test, anything like that. Actually, no, I'm not doing a Centurion review. But
Drop Jonathan!
I don't want to hit you. They're a friend of mine. Yeah. So yeah, this is pretty much good. So yeah. Yeah. So
Hey, Mom.
So yeah. Here's another look at my bike.
Terry.
No, Terry, let me have it since you already have yours. You already.
I'm going to tell you about my bike. My bike got ruined out at Florida. If any at Florida, total repairs to get it done faster, okay?
Okay. Yeah, so here's another look at my bike. Sorry, my camera's in 3.7 zoom. So yeah. Tucker's gonna demonstrate. Ride it.
Watch out, Jonathan.
Hey, is this?
Put that back on.
That's my PSI measure.
So I'm supposed to ride it.
Yeah, just ride it around.
And you.
Keep it in the gears.
Tell him I'm the leader of the army guys because I know how to play this game real well.
The Nerf Army.
Yeah, it's another formula I created.
He's the leader.
No. Hey, there's something running away from. Let me buy Nerf first. Here.
Okay.
Wait up, Tucker. So here's Tucker. Turn around. You don't switch gears. Don't switch gears.
God, it's just a bike.
Yes.
Watch out,
I want to
Jonathan.
see my little parts money, but I don't have that much. Mom took all my money. What?
So, yeah, Tucker, bring the bike back. So these are one of my 5-minute vlogs, which I didn't really spend much time on. So Terry is here fixing the headlights on my mom's car, and yeah, they're supposed to make it really shiny, but no one can make them perfectly shiny except if they're brand new. So yeah. The car is a Pontiac Grand Am Sports Edition V6 engine. It's a coupe kind of door style with a 2-inch spoiler, gas tank on the right side, and yeah, internal features is mainly what you'd find in an other car. So yeah, so this is gonna be it for my 5.5-minute vlog. So to all you nerfers, this is Turco Nerf Productions signing off.